We've all seen footage of Indian train rides. Overcrowded, unsafe, dirty, or straight up unpleasant. We wanted to find out on our own how trains in India really are and see what's behind all the drama.
Welcome to another day in Delhi. Today we're making our way to Vrindavan, which is the best holy location we ever heard of. So, woo! Welcome to the madness. We will catch the train, which is already 3 hours late. And from there, we're going to Vrindavan. From there, we're going to catch another taxi. Then we reach the hotel, and tomorrow, that's going to be all. Always interesting to travel in India. The itineraries never go with one sentence. You always have to at least describe the whole day. Enjoy the tuk-tuk ride with us. Sometimes when we have these really nice food tours, wish you could smell everything. But here in India, maybe on some corners it's the best that you can, because it's a lot. It's a lot.
Welcome to the New Delhi metro and train station. Our train is a bit late, so let's hope that the app was right about 3 hours. That we make it today to Vrindavan. It's always an adventure.
So we are currently at the New Delhi Central Station. It's huge, it's chaotic, and we are trying to reach platform 4.
It's a lot of people again.
Okay, मैम को भी आ दे दो।
I gotta be honest, for me it's a mixture of anxiety and excitement.
Didn't think it would drive me this crazy, because we've seen already a lot, and I was like, will we find in India? Maybe a lot, but not too much. But I feel constantly like it's too much. If I did this 3 weeks, then I'm very proud of myself.
Of course you will. Of course, and you'll enjoy it. Ich gebe den Koffer. Ja. Okay, so we got into a random cart. At least we're on the train, even though it's not our cart.
Can we just go onto something?
Yeah, just go in here.
Okay. Okay. I don't understand.
On a scale from 1 to 100, how desperate are you?
I would say it's between 70 and 80, so it's still fine.
Still fine. That's almost fully desperate.
I know, if I explained it in the last video, like as a person who reacts and connects to the surrounding very much and is very sensitive, everything, like, I don't know. And then the last days it feels like, oh yeah, I don't want to be ungrateful or complain. It's not that. It's just, you know, if you're afraid, it's real. You cannot do anything about it other than do inner meditation and not cry. I always tell Sascha that I think I'm not really, like, I dream of traveling the world. I romanticize the whole thing and I really want to do everything. You could tell me whatever you want, but the reality is that I'm very sensitive and easily scared and get constantly sick, like all the time. So I always believe that I'm not suited for traveling, because I don't know, my body and my mind kind of didn't, well, they weren't maybe born to do this and not raised to do it, whatever you want to call it.
I think you should cut yourself some slack.
I mean, I'm proud that I'm doing it, but I wish I could do it with less fear, less drama in my head.
That's okay. I think it's not, I mean, it's not always easy. So know.
No, it's not. A lot of people tell us in India you don't have to feel unsafe in most places. But then sometimes you get voice messages from people telling you horror stories about a country you're currently in, and I'm like, why, man? Why? Why do you make me, like, if you know me, why do you make me even more fearful by telling me horror stories of a country I'm currently in?
Did you tell her that?
No, I'm just
I
not
think
answering.
you should.
No, I'm not answering.
Well, I think you should.
I'm not. No, I'm just ignoring it. I think like you need to be that sensitive to not tell people horror stories about the country they're currently in, because it just makes more drama. I don't know.
Just tell her.
Maybe I should. If I make it through India and love it in the end, then it's proof that also you can do it. Because if I can do it with all these issues, man, you can do that too. Quick tour of this train experience. We have 3 sleeping beds, one where you can just sit on, one you can fold up, and the upper one, which should always be the most convenient from what I heard. Then we have really nice pillows, everybody gets one, blankets and freshly packed sheets, at least that's what I'm assuming. And there's a mirror, and you can hang your clothes if you have, you can turn the light on, and you can close the curtain. So if it's light outside, you're not disturbed. What else?
I think that's it.
Yeah, I think it's very nice. So now you get a bathroom tour. No, there.
Chai.
This one to clean you. I've seen worse on festivals and in German toilets. Trust me. To describe the experience a bit, I think we're going very fast. Sometimes there's a big bump somewhere and the whole thing is shaking, but it's smooth most of the time.
Sandwich, burger, patty, sandwich.
And every 5 seconds.
Sandwich, burger, patty, sandwich.
And every 5 seconds there's someone having, we already bought a water, offering you water, chai, sandwich, whatever, chips. I would go for chips if they offer. That's basically the whole thing. Even our big suitcase fits perfectly under the seat, that's great. I'm always so fascinated by everything that I need to stop and look at it, and then I can talk to you again. My brain doesn't work on 2 highways at the moment. So we're almost there in Mathura station, and it was a very calm and smooth ride. If you like to know how much we paid, it was for both of us for the ride from New Delhi to Mathura Central Station, 60 bucks. I'm excited to get out again. Should be a really nice hotel. They're already waiting for us. I messaged them and I'm very excited to take a nap. Do they have like some announcements, or they don't do announcements?
No, not in the trains.
Not
It's
in the trains.
metros, yeah.
Okay.
Just jump.
Also new experience. Doors open. We're driving next train ride when it's daytime. We also try to hang out for a second. This is on the bucket list.
We just found another traveler who is also going to Vrindavan, and so we're just gonna piggyback, hitchhike, share a cab. Already very different from Delhi. A lot of less people, right?
Yes, definitely.
I already see the first colored people, like with all the colors. Makes me a bit nervous.
So the first taxi rider just took off. He offered a surprise and then he left. We're confused, but gonna find another one. unusual. You know, if you already have a taxi driver and he's carrying your bag and he's like clearly with you, nobody is asking you for a taxi. So that's new experience.
But also here's way less going on than in Delhi. Way less. There's no comparison at all.
तो मेरा तो होटल हीरा एमरल्ड है.
Made it to our hotel. The taxi driver was raising the prices as we were moving, but in the end, because we split the cab, we were still okay. Paid 400. That's fine. Hello.
We have reservations. Hoffman. Yes.
By the name?
Hoffman.
He'll carry your luggage to the room.
Thank you so much.
Man, this room is nice. It's not even a room, it's a whole flat.
Yeah.
Room tour.
We have a whole couch area. There even is room service if we want it. A kitchen, more water and tea and coffee. So this is really, really nice. We don't have one bedroom. We have two.
What does it mean? Yeah, a bucket. Everybody needs this bucket.
Okay. I think we will survive for the days.
What are you talking about? This is super nice.
I'm just coming from my perfect home in Delhi.
You're spoiled, man. You're spoiled. This is
No,
great.
I'm just joking.
This is
great.
huh?
Yes, I found
Travel
something
day. First time train ride went super smooth. Actually, they didn't even kick us out of our wrong train card. Yeah, even though they realized
We were
it.
definitely in the wrong car.
Yeah. Got here. The cab was super cheap because we shared it with a local/American Indian. And now this wonderful hotel room where we can finally sleep separate. A dream comes true, right? So
Ooh,
this has
it's
been
soft. It's nice.
a very soft bed. No, this has been our, what do you call it, very first travel day in India? Yeah, right? Other than getting into Delhi, the madness of Delhi. A lot of first impressions. So you've seen in our first video about that. And yeah, so now just rest and then tomorrow Holi. Right, the
Information
hotel
sheet, yeah.
will put a comprehensive list of all the Holi activities here in the town and around exclusively for us. What a service, huh? We're so much looking forward to that. I hope we prepared enough for that spectacle. I'm a bit scared. I think to be scared in India is part of the traveling, right? I mean, if you are first time in India and you were not scared, I think you are
You're
very
bold.
brave or you're a liar. Because it's so different. It's so much. It's amplified everything. Like really everything. That's been it. See you in the next one.
We pooped. Maybe you can guess. Okay, see you in the next one.
Bye.